dad was here right now, what would you want to tell him?
That he could come in my house and in school with me.
I want you to look right over there.
Hi guys. How are you? Hi Jackie. Like this. So happy.
I'm so nervous, I'm shaking right now. I left in April with the Oklahoma National Guard to Fort Bliss in support of COVID operations, which is really kind of dying out now with everybody getting vaccinated. So the pace is pretty slow, and it's not your traditional deployment, but it definitely is time away from family, and so I'm really excited to see my kids.
You guys are so cute. I missed you so much. I love you. You look so pretty.